Sakit ng katawan, sakit ng ulo, yung feeling na kagigising mo pa lang, pagod ka na. Pagkain lang yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Lagi kang ngalay. Lahat yung physical indicators na stressed ang tao, nararanasan ko. The hardest part of it all is ako lang mag-isa ang nakakaalam. I don't want my partner to see it. Though I know nararamdaman niya na din. Lagi kasi akong low energy sa mga activities namin. Lagi din mainit yung ulo ko. The question is, how can I overcome stress without burdening my partner? Paano ko malalagpasan yung stress nang hindi ako magiging pabigat sa partner ko? I am Mike, and I am so stressed with life. My love, pakiramdam ng mga tao kapag may love life ka, hindi ka na nasa-stress. Feeling na nila parang everyday happy ka, parang everyday you feel sunshine and butterflies. I beg to disagree, and most of the people na merong jowa, may asawa, may partner in life would also disagree na kapag may partner ka, hindi ka na nakakaramdam ng stress. You are human after all, my love. Of course, you'll feel stress. But to disagree then with Mike, even if you're stressed, at sinabi mo yun sa partner mo na, hey, I'm stressed. Parang kinu-question ko yung decisions ko in life. I don't even know kung ano yung direction ko. I'm so down and nalulunod ako sa mga problema ko. That automatically means you became a burden sa partner mo. Because that don't automatically means your partner has to do something in order to make you feel better. Kasi my love, minsan ang kailangan mo lang naman talaga ay kausap na makikinig eh. You have to let it out. You have to acknowledge its existence para mawalan siya ng hold sa'yo. Para makahinga ka ng maluwag-luwag. You think so little of opening yourself up kasi feeling mo it's just something na sinasabi ng tao, but it does help. Whether you believe it or not, minsan kapag naglabas ka ng hinanaing mo ng sama ng loob mo, for some reason, hindi mo alam kung psychosomatic ba siya, sa utak lang ba siya nangyayari, but for some reason you feel lighter. Hindi naman porket sinabi mo sa tao yung problema mo, automatically nawawala talaga silang lahat. It's just that this time around you feel na hindi ka mag-isa. That someone is actually there. And when that person who matters to you tell you or say na, andito lang ako when you need me. I'll always be here for you. Come here, ihahag kita. When the person that matters to you say that, it's as if everything feels better. Everything for some reason. Nagkakaroon siya ng light telling you that it will be hard, it will be a journey, pero eventually it will be okay. My love, you have to understand that in life, the reason why we are given people that we can trust, people that we are in a relationship with, is to remind us na hindi natin kailangan pagdaanan yung mga pagsubok ng buhay mag-isa. You can go through it hand in hand with your partner. Aside from it creates memory, it creates bond, and it solidifies the foundation ng relationship ninyong dalawa. Parang isipin mo na lang, Mike, at the end of the day, after everything else na problema mo ay sabihin na natin masolusyonan mo or malagpasan mo, and then one day Mag-exchange of vow kayo sa harap ng altar. Isn't it amazing to say that we've been through hell and back together? Na sa dami-dami ng nalagpasan natin, na pagdaanan natin as couples, it all boiled down to this moment of us being together in front of both our promises to be with one another for the rest of our lives. Isn't that a great vow? Kesa yung vow nyo na puno na lang ng I look forward to spending like ganito with you, I look forward to experiencing things with you. You don't have to look forward anymore. You know within your heart, you were given someone to be with you sa journey ng buhay mo. My love, the reason why sometimes stress is overpowering us, nananalo yung stress, nananaig siya sa atin, is because we are trying to handle everything on our own. Thinking na kaya natin tong lahat nang tayo lang mag-isa. I don't know. No one's after the credit, my love. Wala namang titulo at the end of it all. Wala namang koronang ipapataw sa'yo, walang sash, walang trophy. So why would you do that? Bakit mo papahirapan yung sarili mo ng ganyan? If you have people around you that cares for you, that loves you, that will understand you, all you have to do is lower your pride and ask for help. Tandaan mo, my love, asking for help, seeking for guidance, allowing someone to walk with you sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo doesn't mean you're weak, doesn't make you less of a man. It makes you human, my love. Understanding that in this world, sa dami ng chaotic things that we are bound to experience, hindi pwedeng mag-isa lang tayo. Lagi tayong may mga kawal sa tabi, may mga kasamang sundalong lalaban sa hamon ng buhay. And that's something that you have to understand. If you care enough for this partner, if you love this partner so much, if you think this partner is good for you, and if you think this partner is the love of your life, then you will let her in. You will let her help. You will let her make you believe na things, no matter how difficult they may be, can be dealt with easily by two people if they are together. There are some things, my love, na makapagpapatunay na two will always be better than one. Claro? Claro.